Cardamom Watermelon Cashew Milk Smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the cashew recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes, one of the most unique of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique different of the cardamom smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the milk recipes. Today we are going to make cardamom watermelon cashew milk smoothie. We've taken around 200 grams of watermelon, around 50 to 60 grams of cashew nut, around 8 to 10 cardamom pods, around 40 to 50 grams of sugar. Put in the cashew and the cardamom. And the sugar. And close and grind well. Now open. Put in the watermelon. Close and grind well. Now open. Now the cardamom watermelon cashew having nicely ground. Pour in 150 ml of milk. Close. And grind well. Open. Now the cardamom watermelon cashew milk smoothie is ready and can be taken off and be poured into the glasses. Pour the smoothie into the glass. This is the final cardamom watermelon cashew nut milk smoothie or cardamom watermelon cashew nut milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cashew recipes, one of the most delicious of the milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.